Parijataka tree. During Samudra Manthan, or churning of the ocean, the gods had obtained Parijataka, the celestial tree with divine fragrance. The tree was planted in the garden of Indra, the king of gods. One day, sage Narad went to this garden and collected some Parijataka flowers that had fallen from the celestial tree. He gave them to Rukmini, complimenting her beauty. Rukmini was very happy, but when Satyabhama smelled its fragrance, she was very jealous. She threw a tantrum and asked Krishna to bring her the Parijataka tree. Lord Krishna went to heaven for the celestial tree. When Lord Indra protested, he battled with him. After defeating Indra, Lord Krishna brought the Parijataka tree on earth. However, now Rukmini and Satyabhama began to quarrel, as both of them wanted the tree. Clever Krishna planted the tree in Satyabhama's courtyard in such a way that its flowers fell in Rukmini's house, and in this way, both his wives were happy. Narad, the creator of mischief. Satyabhama was proud and vain of her good looks. She prided herself on her pure love for Krishna, and yet she was jealous of Rukmini, the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi. However, Rukmini let nothing come in the way of her devotion to Krishna and served him with love and devotion. One day, sage Narad, the creator of mischief, came to Dwarka. He met Satyabhama and asked her innocently, "Is it really true that Lord Krishna loves Rukmini more than you?" Satyabhama was shocked. "You are far more beautiful and charming than her. Don't you think you deserve more attention?" asked Narad again. "What should I do to gain his undivided attention? You are my only hope now, divine sage," she pleaded with him. Narad, who was always eager to cause confusion, said, "That is my whole point of visit. I have a great plan to bring Krishna back to you." Satyabhama listened attentively. Satyabhama's vow. Sage Narad advised Satyabhama, "Make a vow that you will hand over Lord Krishna as alms, daan to me, but I will allow you to trade him in for an equivalent weight of your riches. Seeing that you are willing to trade in your wealth for him, Lord Krishna will admire you for your sacrifice and will keep you close to him. But I do not know if your wealth will suffice to balance out Krishna's weight." Proud as ever, Satyabhama said angrily, "I am the daughter of Satrajit. My wealth is limitless. I am sure that I have enough to balance Lord Krishna. We will carry on with this plan of yours." Then she rushed to Krishna and hurriedly told him about her unfortunate vow to Narad. Krishna patiently listened to her and nodded his head. Actually, she felt possessive of Krishna and wanted him all for herself. So, he decided to teach her a lesson. Satyabhama gives Krishna away. Satyabhama commanded servants to bring out the large scales used to weigh grains and groceries. She also sent the treasurer to bring out all her jewels and gold to the garden of the palace. Then, gently leading Krishna, she went to the weighing scales. All the ministers stared at the scales. Krishna was quiet all the time. Soon, Lord Krishna, other queens too hurried to the garden. Satyabhama gave away Krishna as alms, daan to Narad. The other wives of Krishna were shocked at this, but being ever dutiful, they did not speak out in front of everyone. Narad then gave her the option of taking back Krishna by presenting him with an equivalent weight of riches. Amidst loud sighs of relief, Satyabhama agreed to it. She placed Krishna on one plate of the scales and started piling up the gold and gemstones on the other plate. Weighing Lord Krishna by scales. Satyabhama kept adding more and more of her wealth on the plate of the scales, but the plate with Krishna did not even budge. Narad kept warning her, "Remember, if you fail to supply me with sufficient wealth, Krishna will forever be a slave to me. I can even bid him out to anyone I want." Satyabhama was thoroughly frightened. Swallowing her pride, she begged the other wives to give her their jewels so that they might retain Krishna. Out of their devotion to their husband, the wives removed every gold ornament on their bodies. However, the scales showed no signs of motion. All the gold in Dwarka was brought and piled up, but to no avail. Then Krishna said slyly, "Look, Satyabhama, because of your foolish vow, I have to be a slave to this sage." Narad was making Krishna to do all sorts of work, cleaning, sweeping and fanning. Satyabhama was desperate to get him back.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.